So here we are on Surfside. It's gonna be jam-packed, lots of kids, very bright, colorful. And we're gonna start here with Surfside Eatery. Right now. Here you have your beverages, some waters, your ices. You got your cookies, you got your grab and go pastries, you got your fruit, you got pizza, mini burgers, mini hot dogs, french fries, chicken tenders, sloppy joe, Alfredo sauce. Some fish fingers, mashed potatoes. Got your salads here, coleslaw, and that is all complimentary. Grab and go. That way the kids never have to leave the area. Here you got your carousel. Walking down a little farther.
Mommy.
You got sprinkles. Here you got Surfside Bites. Everybody running. You got popcorn chicken, hot dogs, cheeseburgers, pizza. They've made it so that everybody can just come, grab some food, and you never have to leave the area. Here you got more condiments, water, ice, the juices that are included. Over in the corner, you got the soda machine. And here you got your lemon. Okay, you're at my house. Almost like a mommy and me type of bar.
I'm gonna go grab him a little bit of fish.
Coming over here, you have the ultimate family townhouse. You can see they're right up on the pool here. And right here you have Baby Bay for the little ones. Here you got the pool overlooking the aft of the ship. Big crown and anchor up top. And here you got your Splashaway Bay with the dunk tank. Star of the Seas, definitely geared towards those young families. Get them hooked on cruising early. And we're going to try to cut over. See more of the Splashaway Bay. Over here where you can store your stuff. You got plenty of seating. See everybody of all ages over here. Multi-generational fun. And here you have Pier 7. This is a specialty restaurant. Let's give you a quick look inside. Like I said, that's a specialty restaurant doing brunch and dinner. Coming over, you got the playscape. Kids can be climbing. Maybe it's a little too hot to be climbing right now, since none of the kids are in there. Over here is Sugar Beach. Your sweet tooth. Oh, it smells amazing in here. And you got all your candies. So bag and go. Pay by the weight. Life is sweet.
Like I know her.
Oh, you do too?
Yeah. Well, I
And over here we have the arcade. Check it out. Doesn't want to open? Okay. And while I'm in here in the semi-quiet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. We've got lots of star footage coming out, doing all the different neighborhoods.
Did you start it? You can press start.
Have to play a little air hockey later. Here you can win an iPad. And that was the arcade area. And from here you can either head down to the promenade, or we can head up. You can either go down to the Royal Promenade. You can go up to Central Park. You got the Surfside shops there, but we're going to go back inside and show you how to get to Playmakers and the Absolute Zero, where they have the ice skating ring, do some amazing shows. Playmakers, Absolute Zero, this way.
Oh no, we're outside already.
And here they have some more shops. 6th and Main shop. Got your more fancy gear, your vineyard vines. And here we're gonna go through Playmakers Sports Bar. Lots of TVs. They make a great burger here. It is an extra cost. If you have the dining package, you get a daily stipend, I believe, of $20 a person. So lots more games. And here we have the owner's box, where you can rent out.
real sweet.
As we continue through, We got Absolute Zero. Or it looks like they're doing something right now. Maybe it's
That's the last
and I'll show you some footage of the ice show that we saw last night. Back through Playmaker. And so that is the Surfside neighborhood on Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest ship. And you can check out all of our Star of the Seas footage here on the playlist. And make sure you like this video. Please subscribe to our content for more of our content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.